I decided to do some work on some of the phonemes my Korean learners have difficulty with. What I did was quite simple, really. I just utilized some of the tricks and tips that I've read about on the forum and we've discussed in webinars over the last 2 weeks. So, for example, to teach th, I taught them the trick of holding a finger in front of their lips, and the tongue should come out far enough to touch the finger. Quite simple, but they enjoyed it and it was effective in correcting the problem. Another one, which I found quite simple to correct, was ah and eh. Many times my learners will mispronounce ah as eh. For example, happy and apple. And this was an easy one because I simply informed them that phonemes lower in the chart, the mouth needs to be more open, and higher in the chart, vice versa. So we made ah together a few times, ah, 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 and then I just instructed them to lower their jaw a centimetre or so and make the same sound. So ah became eh. My learners' reaction to the activity was very good because when I initially introduced the chart to them, they were concerned that it was going to be very difficult and very boring, and this was just a series of small, easy and fun activities which helped them to sort some phoneme problems they'd been having quickly and easily. My evaluation of the task would be that it was a success. With teenage learners, half of the battle is getting them involved and on board with something, and this was a great way to use the phonemic chart to have some fun and to make progress that they could see easily. This activity and the phonology units in general have definitely informed how I want to continue with the chart, because I've realised it doesn't have to be a difficult, intimidating thing. I'm going to keep introducing phonemes my learners have issues with gradually and helping them to perfect those phonemes, and I think in the long run this will really improve their connected speech.